Excellent. So we are almost coming to the end of this interview. And there is one question that I ask almost every leader in the cloud native ecosystem. So how do you see generative AI impacting the cloud native security and the cloud native, the evolution?
Yeah, it's a question on everybody's lips at the moment, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's going to affect all sorts of different levels and in all sorts of different timeframes. At one level, we're already seeing people using tools like Copilot and the other assistive code writing tools. That may improve productivity. It may also help introduce some more bugs and some more security issues. If we can hallucinate bad facts, I'm sure we can also hallucinate some very bad code. But there's no question in my mind that people are using those tools today. Are they using them to find security vulnerabilities? I expect so. Are they using them to fix security vulnerabilities? Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
And you can build from there to more longer term concerns about will we in 10 years time even think about writing code as a human rather than maybe we'll just do it for amusement purposes rather than and leave the real legwork to the AIs. I don't know. The future is going to be very interesting.
But in the near term, I would love to see a chatbot sitting in the Kubernetes dashboard, which is hopefully deployed securely, where I can say, implement network ingress and egress with these ports. And, it basically goes ahead and patches my running pod by applying the network policies and basically reconfigures my deployment to make sure it is completely protected and secured. So I think that is the use case that we are looking forward to, where you can chat with a Cube bot that sits right inside your cluster and takes your instructions and does some configuration changes.
Yeah, I've not actually tried asking, ChatGPT generate me some network policy YAML, but maybe it's worth having a go.
Yeah, but we got to make sure, we thoroughly validate it before we apply. So,
Sure, yeah.
As I said, the current LLMs are hallucinating, and it all depends on how well they're trained on these logs and the Kubernetes YAML files and so on. We are not there yet. But interestingly, we are heading towards that direction, where the LLMs are learning a lot about DevOps logs and DevOps processes and Terraform files. And so it's not very far where we can really chat with the bot to implement network security policies.
Yeah. I think I can certainly imagine that. If an AI can write an email for me, then I think it can probably have a stab at writing a network policy for me.
Absolutely, I think that is the point where generative AI will meet DevOps and SREs.